Not every episode of Rolling Realtor is a rusty train wreck. This one even has a happy ending. Let's take a look at Sonny and Cher. Aside from rust under the windshield, it looks pretty good. Take a quick look around. A little bit dirty. Typical Jack's problem here from the garages. Something strange going on the bumper there. Just a little paint malfunction. Got a step bumper. Looks pretty solid in all the usual rust places. But we do have a problem up here. Down under the windshield. Got a hole, got some rust with a hole, got some rust. This area under the windshield is the only place this van has any rust, so all in all pretty good. 300,000 miles, but it looks pretty good. Got a steering wheel cover. Vents have been painted. Center console's colored here black. 2 keys, seat covers, and a finished back half. Windows in the back doors. Air conditioner. Solar charger, inverter. Lots of storage. Mini kitchen. On-demand water. Chinese diesel heater. Inside the door is finished. We see that is often not the greatest ceiling, but it's not bad. Seen the bed in other videos. This folds down to make a full bed. Queen size bed, actually. Fan on the back door here. Yeah, that's moving some air. And it's pushing the door open. Going under the van, we've got a spare tire in good shape. Doesn't look as rusty as a lot of them do down here. Short exhaust exiting by the side door. Looks like we've got a boot missing on the drive shaft there. I wouldn't call that rust, but it's certainly dry. Things aren't looking perfect down here anymore. Not as bad as most. And we've got some rust going on there. Bad jacking. Pretty dry. Transmission is dry. Gas tank is dry. Oil pan bottom is dry, so we haven't had any leaks in a good long time. Exhaust for the Chinese diesel heater over here. So obviously that's under the seat. New rotors. Nice and flat and shiny. Dry and clean. A little orange over here, but not crunchy. Same over there, a little bit orange. Let's see. Oops, maybe if I close the driver door. Locks work. Driver door open. All doors are open. Gotta like it when they work right. That's pretty. Pop the hood. Dry and clean. Looks really good. A little bit of rust on top of the battery there. A little more rust under the windshield. And it's pretty bad down there. Can't ask for any better than that. As far as it goes in, we're right at the full mark, and the fluid is nice and pink. Oil color is very nice and proper level. Three balls are floating, 2 balls are sinking. I know if they all float, we've got too much antifreeze. If none of them float, we've just got water in there. Look at the color here. That looks a nice green color. Oops. Green isn't really the color we want, but it's what's on the shelf at most auto parts stores, so that's what ends up in them. Got 4 solar panels up here. They all look good. I don't see any rust on the roof. Got some tape there. Definitely had some work done when it was painted on that seam. Solar panels are definitely doing their job. The battery is full. The inverter is off. It's an expensive hybrid inverter. Expensive hybrid inverter. And a big one. Big solar charge controller. And 2 big LiFePO batteries. Looks like we've got all the shunts and fuses and temperature maintenance. Connection for a PC there. Oh. Electrical outlets. Camper potty. Granite tops with a backsplash. Copper sink. Water pump switch. On demand. Oh, looks like we got a little leak there. "12-volt outlets, fuse block, 12-volt step-down converter, 12-volt pump, circulation fan if everything gets hot underneath here.